Practicing optimism is like seeing the world through a lens of possibility and hope. It's about focusing on the positives, even in challenging times, and believing that you can overcome obstacles and achieve your goals. Optimism fuels resilience, creativity, and a proactive mindset. When you embrace optimism, you approach problems with a can-do attitude and you find solutions where others see roadblocks. It helps you to stay motivated, attract positive energy, and yes, it inspires those around you. So choose optimism every day. Look for the silver lining, celebrate small victories, and maintain faith in your journey. Your positive outlook, I promise you, can transform challenges into opportunities and turn dreams into reality. Embrace optimism and watch how it propels you towards success and fulfillment. Keep on pushing.